So this video is to help you answer questions in session 6, quiz 1. And I have up right now quiz number 1, and I have the first graphic for question number 1. And you could see in this graphic that this is a standard demand curve, marginal revenue curve, and you see your cost curves. Now notice how the ATC curve is sloping downward. So that basically tells you that this is a natural monopoly. And based upon this information, the first question asks you, if this hauling company is free to set any price, what price will it charge? Well, what you need to do is just go through your standard 7-step process to determine the price charge. Remember the 7 steps for a monopoly? These 7 steps tell you the price charged, the output produced, total revenue, total cost, and profit. Follow those steps and you'll be able to determine the price charged here. Now for this question number 6 right here, let me see. Question number 6 right here. It says, what is the maximum profit Acme Hauling can earn each month if it sets its price for refuse collection? So basically, do the same thing. Remember, go through the 7 steps, and this time calculate profit based upon those 7 steps. So again, review your notes from the Monopoly chapter on how to calculate price, output, total revenue, total cost, and profit. Now question 7 is, look at that figure, figure 1, and suppose that the hauling company is regulated by the city commission. If the commission wants efficient allocation of resources, which price does it seek for monthly collection? So efficient allocation of resources. So that's basically the perfect competition result. So here's the clue here. Treat the marginal cost curve as the supply curve. If you treat the marginal cost curve as the industry supply curve, you should be able to answer that question, because in perfect competition, the market supplies where supply equals demand. So that's what this is asking right now. Here is using figure 1, suppose that the hauling company is regulated. The commission wants it to produce the efficient allocation of resources. Which price is it? So find the price associated with supply equals demand. Now, question number 8, if the price chosen by the commission is the price required for efficient allocation of resources, in the long run, how many homes will Acme Hauling Service serve each month, assuming that they receive no other sources of revenue? So basically, go to here, determine the profit or loss at the efficient allocation of resources where supply equals demand, and then ask yourself a question, how much would you produce given the profit or loss that you're making at that rate of output? And that should help you solve question number 8. So that's the video for questions 5 through 8. I'll be posting more videos for the other questions.